This is the pounded yam that I made. If you want to do it the restaurant style as a pro, this is it. This is the pounded yam I'm using now. I will add in my pounded yam. This one will be okay for me. I will just going to mix and mix. That's powdered pounded yam I showed now is not for Harvard, guys. I just decided to give it a try. This is not the regular type I used to buy. It's the other type that I used to buy. So I decided to try this one and see if it works well. So guys, I think at this point I will rate it. I think I prefer the other pounded yam. This one is good for people that like it, but for me, I will give it 6. While the other one, I will give it 8. Keep following all my returnees. Thank you for returning. Thank you for the like and the comments. If you are new to the channel, subscribe and be a part of the family. Feel free to check my channel out. I have health recipe, cooking videos, family lifestyles. Turn on the post notification so that anytime we upload, you will be notified. Together again, and after that I will remove it from here. So as you can see, it is properly cooked. You can just put some in your palm like this, add it to the stick, rub some on the surface. What I will do, I will roll it out like this, restaurant style, guys. We are making the restaurant style of poundo swallow. Making poundo. See it. So I'm going to fold it over. As you can see me, I'm doing it. This is how to make pounded yam as a pro, guys. Is add it to your plate. So this is it, guys. Our pounded yam is ready. Enjoy. You want to see how I achieve this pounded yam as a pro? Watch this video so you don't miss out.